Okay, so we got a trade recap for you guys for today. This morning ended up going one on the day. Both were the same bias. Unfortunately, got break even because we just got bottomed out or topped out by this high right here. But usually, I mean, hold on, before I'll say that next. But first of all, let's just start from the beginning. So, like I said yesterday, I either wanted us to continue up and take out all these highs or react off them and get some type of reaction, either go lower and lower and hit a higher time frame equilibrium, or just go higher and higher. As you can see here, NQ just soared past all-time highs, which was the most likely pair. But I mean, both at the time when I was doing this video, I think it was like right here. They could have been either or. We could have reacted off this 1 hour for rally gap and went a little bit lower and then tapped in. Either way, I wanted us to displace higher and higher. I just wanted us to get some type of reaction so that way we can retrace into these already formed fair value gaps off the continuation off this move right here. This was really would have been really good. But either or is fine. I mean, now it looks like we're starting to top out at these highs. So yeah, I mean, pretty much I was short. I took one short like right here. Ended up it was like a little pal setup. Immediate. I mean, I had my stop loss like right here, really tight, but I ended up getting stopped out. And then we entered in right here. We just reversed it because we were reacting off this 15-minute fair value gap, while also this 5-minute fair value gap too, while sweeping out that 5-minute low. So then we just continue on. We had this high already formed. So which this should have been our trade right here. 99% of the time, 80% of the time, we're gonna take that trade. That's because we like to target in whatever you want to call it, internal highs or lows that are made within this session time frame. That's really good because if we're already topping out, we're most likely gonna top out at that high already made, which as you can see here, we did on ES. NQ, not so much. We soared past it, so yeah, now it looks like we're starting to displace lower and lower. But I mean, I pretty much what made me get in right here is simply, we were racking up this 1 minute gap as well, and then we also had this equilibrium level. Let me see if I can get my magnet out. Level that was getting respected too as well. If I can, jeez, man. If I can just put it, so yeah, boom, started displacing 1 minute inverse. I'm pretty sure right here. Got in, started displacing little and little. I thought this was gonna be the continuation move, but it wasn't. We got topped out at this high. Wanted us to, I wanted us to take out this high. This is gonna be my TP right here in the middle of between our original TP and the high previous made. But things don't always work out our way. We got stopped out a few points, just like the two trades. So I don't care either way. We were up in profit on a break even day, so I can care less. Even if we were break even and made nothing, we were still break even. We were still risk free. I got it. I put my break even right here. This is my break even. So I guess a little like very very tight right here. So definitely I was break even. And then this was also my break even too as well. This bottom of this order block right here. So yeah, I really do not care. I mean, obviously we were kind of negative off this, but I mean we made it all back on this trade. Definitely, I do not like to do two trades in a row, even if it's against the same move. I really don't. Um, just because if we were break even, we're break even. We're in the loss, we're in the loss. There's no need to get in a even more loss. We have set risk for the day. We have set take profit for the day. Like I tell you, I really for a while, even now, I still do extended take profit. Like, look at this is a 14-point trade. But just given the fact that, we want to keep it short, we want to keep it simple, we want to get in, we want to get out. Boom, this is way better. 1 and 3. That's what we really go for. 1 and 3s. And then if the target looks good, we go higher and higher. Why did I extend it? Because we still had I mean, at least want us to take out all these highs and extend higher and higher. But that obviously doesn't happen. As you can see here, we're now starting to top out, which you might extend later on in the day. So yeah, those were my two trades today. Definitely call it a W day, winning day today. We've been freaking killing it, man. Like we've been going crazy. These past few months, this whole year actually, has been really, really well for me. Securing a payout, just completely demolishing these markets. I'm like a brain surgeon going through this thing. I'm just dissecting these things. So, definitely, yeah. I mean, now I guess we can touch on tomorrow. Very, very premature, but I guess we can do that. Let's see. So definitely, since Nasdaq is already soaring past all-time highs and ES feeling to do so, I'm pretty sure we might be in a position tomorrow for a higher time from SMT. We might just continue higher and higher. We might start topping out right now, somewhere around here. I don't know, and then go higher and higher, or maybe, but we both make all-time highs. We both make all-time highs overnight. ES makes all-time highs overnight, but probably want to see something get like topped out right here, start continuing lower. Definitely because we're probably not going to form any more fair value gaps or any type of retracement areas. I mean, to go back to Nasdaq. Let me see. Nasdaq, we might just keep soaring. Might just bottom out, retrace right here, go higher. So definitely gonna watch out for that. Um, yeah, I mean, honestly, I really can't give you guys a bias for tomorrow, but definitely want to see something like that. So yeah, I want to keep it short and simple. That's pretty much it. We went 1-1, or we went basically 2-0. Me personally, I call my break even trades winning trades, because to me, what defines a winning day? We didn't give money back to the market that's already built to beat us. So that's winning day. Break even and winning days are winning days. Losses are losses. That's it. So, but I mean, technically, will we have days where our bias is correct, but we get stopped out and we go higher and higher and we take out our targets? Yes. So but then still again, I won't call those winning days. I'll just say, oh look, here's a day where I got stopped out and my targets ended up getting hit, which has happened pretty frequently end of last month. So yeah. I mean, but other than that, I mean that's all I really have for you guys. I'm gonna keep it short and simple, and I'll see you guys in the next one.